So Pyro's Will Jesus one. Pyro's work is never done. Can somebody please come out here and help me, man? I done took everything down, took it out the boxes, and I got from the 25th to the 5th to let loose fireworks, man. So I got a list on what I'm gonna do each day, you know. So each day, I'm gonna do a certain amount of stuff. I'm gonna do this, that. So y'all stay tuned. But I took all the assortments down and I got everything stacked up. All this side over here are shells and artillery shells, and I'm trying to organize everything. Like this box here is almost finished. That box there, fountains only, hybrids. So you get the drift. Try to put all my firecrackers together, my crackers, and I'm trying to hurry up and do all this stuff so I can get to my cakes, man. I can't get to my cakes like I want to, you know. I got a list on which cakes I'm burning each day, certain days, so on and so forth. And I mean, everything in here is pretty organized, but I wanna get to my cakes and stuff, man. My 500-gram cakes, but I can't get to that stuff until I kind of make room, man. Got them big old fan cakes down there. I'm sitting out here waiting on UPS to pull up with my package, man. I got out work early to come home, play around. Man, this 200-gram cake side, man, it's huge, man. I got cakes, 200-gram cakes all back here behind here. Man, that's a lot. But my girlfriend's birthday coming up Sunday, so I'm trying to do something for her. I got all these assortments. Forgot I even had these, man. These was in the trunk of my car. Got 3 of these. But yeah, man, bear with me. Wednesday is the day we all been waiting for. And I can't wait, man. Want everybody to be safe. Stay prayed up that our fireworks work like they supposed to. Everybody be safe out there. And I will be bringing more videos, man.